How to fix Robinhood account restricted. Got that your account is restricted message on Robinhood? Let's unlock what's going on. First, open your account settings and look for any red flags like failed bank transfers or margin calls. Robinhood restricts account automatically if there's a funding issue or if identity verification fails. Check your email. They usually send the reason for the restriction and steps to resolve it. If it's due to identity documents, upload them again under the account tab. If you have had too many failed login attempts or flagged threats, wait for 24 hours or contact support through the help center. Using a VPN or switching location too often can trigger restrictions, so avoid that while trading. What restriction are you facing? Tell me in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.